Hi, I am from Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age on Roblox and walk you through each step so you can update your birthday correctly. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Roblox app and tap the More option at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the main menu where all your account options are located, making it easy to access your settings. Step 2, scroll down and open the settings menu, then tap on Account Info. This section holds all your personal details, and it's where you can make changes to your birthday. Step 3, look for the birthday option and tap the edit icon on the right. This button allows you to update the date linked to your account. Step 4, use the drop-down menus to choose your correct birthday so your age becomes 13 plus, then tap Continue. Roblox requires this age verification to unlock all features, so entering the right date is important. Step 5, check your email for the verification code, or if you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the authentication code from your chosen app. This step ensures your account is secure before making changes. Step 6, tap Verify after entering the code. This confirms your request and updates your age settings. Step 7, if Roblox asks you to verify with ID or gives you the option to ask my parent, follow the instructions shown. Some accounts require extra confirmation depending on the age you select. Step 8, if you originally entered the wrong birthday when creating the account, sign in to the parent account to continue. The parent account controls these settings, so logging in there allows you to complete the update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.